Ajay is getting ready for a party and notices he's already running late. Just then, his friend Rahul calls and urges him to reach quickly. Feeling the pressure, Ajay rushes out, determined to make it on time. As he grabs his bike keys, he pauses for a second and thinks to himself.
Should I wear my helmet? Ajay, no helmet means high risk and a 1000 rupee fine. Gear up every time.
As Ajay rode along roads he knew well, he came upon a junction where a narrow right turn offered a shortcut he had used in the past. The thought was tempting, he knew it could save him a few minutes. He slowed down, glanced toward the turn, and thought to himself.
Should I indicate? Ajay, skipping indicators risks lives and could cost you 500 rupees. Signal smart, ride safe. After taking the right turn, he found himself on a quiet, empty road. There were no cars, no people, just silence. He looked around and felt the urge to go faster. The road is empty and I'm running late. Is it really that bad if I go over the speed limit just this once? Ajay, speeding may thrill, but it kills. It can also cost you 2000 rupees and your license. As he was riding down the road, he saw a red traffic signal up ahead. The road was quiet, with no cars or people around. He stopped and waited, but the red light seemed to take forever. He looked left and right. He thinks, there's no one here. If there's no traffic or people around, is it really wrong to jump a red light? Ajay, red means stop. Jumping a signal can cost 5000 rupees or a life. Wait. Stay safe. While he was driving, his phone suddenly vibrated with a call. He thought that he is getting the call from his friend and felt the urge to answer. Should I avoid answering this call? Ajay, one call can cost a life. Stop first, then answer. Stay safe. As he neared his destination, he came to a tricky spot on the road. He had two choices. He could take the long U-turn, which was safe and followed the rules, but it would take a few extra minutes. Or he could go the wrong way down a one-way street, saving time but breaking the rules and risking trouble. A thought crossed his mind, I'm already late. I will arrive sooner if I go in the wrong direction. Should I avoid it? Ajay, but remember, wrong way driving can cost you 5000 rupees, jail time, or your license. Ajay and his friend had a few drinks at the party, so his friend urged him to take a cab home instead of riding his bike. Ajay had a thought running through his mind, why leave my bike here? I'll have to come back for it anyway. Should I just ride home and not hire a cab? Ajay, drunk riding is a criminal offense, risks lives, and can get you fined 10,000 rupees or jailed. Don't risk it.